first part of the dance that we're gonna learn is my part, which is the start of the song. So you're gonna get your girls if you have some people that you wanna dance with, but you're gonna have to start with your head down. And then I go, I've been undercover, looking for another, and they're going slowly. So you're gonna go right hand on your left shoulder. I don't know, baby. Look, whip your neck. You gotta whip that neck. Okay. I've been undercover, looking for another, acting like you're good, but you never to recover. I don't got no baggage, but you got a duffel. Alright. Stripper pole. Yeah, right. Samantha, when she was teaching me this part, she was like, hold onto the stripper pole and kind of like keep your body in line with your arm. It's like you're gonna swivel this, swivel that. Move those hips around like a little circle. I've been undercover, looking for another, acting like you're good, but you never to recover. I don't got no baggage, but you got a duffel. Alright. Walk off to the side all sassy, alright? Now we're gonna do the next part. Woo! Okay, so this is the second part. This is my part. So Olivia finishes her part, and then we do a little transition. I got these two girls, little spin on my shoulder, walking into the camera. Shoulder always ready for your cheers and petty. Petty shots. So while I'm saying petty shots, they're doing their poses, they're framing it, and I have nice and strong arms, and I'm just looking to the side. Shoulder always ready, for your tears and petty shots, you're always aiming at me, and just like that. After this part, I do this little robotic little It's just kind of and then I'm walking away. We're going into our live. And while I'm doing this,
Transitioning behind her.
they're just making it look cool in the back. Shoulder always ready, play it in the petty shots, you're always aiming at me. Now you got, but you're giving out like candy, so sad, so bad. There we go. It's done. Hello, it's my part now. Let's just get into it. Got my girls behind me. They're gonna pop out and do some little cool things. So, you're gonna do some little hits. Yeah, you mad, and it's sassy. Yeah, you mad, and bend down by the knees, get low. Yeah, you mad. Right arm around your head. Yeah, you mad. And then bend down. Hair flip. Yeah, you mad. Yeah, that's fine. Your hips are kind of going around as you go down, and bring the hands down. Yeah, you mad. Yeah, that's fine. And then you end up here, all the way bent down, hands on the knees. Yeah, you mad. Yeah, that's fine. So from here, you're gonna go little sway to the side, and make sure you get that head. The chin goes up, arms crossed. So, fine, that seems like that's your problem. So the head goes up on life, and then point on your problem. Like, that's your problem, it's not mine. After the sways, you're gonna hit it with cross, forward. That seems like that's your problem, it's not. You kind of just drop it and give a little sass until you go into the next part. Yeah, you mad, yeah, that's fine. That seems like that's your problem, it's not mine. Now we're to the chorus. This is like a little cutesy moment, but still powerful. So we're gonna do right up, left up. Do. Kind of stepping with it too. Do. It goes, boy, I know you miss me, so what? Right hand on the left shoulder, and then hand up in the air. Boy, I know you miss me, so what? Do. Kind of do it with your hips. 1, 2, kick to the side, and you kind of lean with it, with your head, and like push the shoulder off too. Your foot goes up a little bit. Boy, I know you miss me, so what? Do. So after the kick, you go like this with your feet. You switch off with the weight. And while you do that, you're gonna do so what, do, what, so what, what, I know you'll miss me, so what, do, so what. Next up, you're going to cross your arms. It's like a step onto the right, step onto the left, and with your leg up, give us some sass. Do, from hip, then hip, from hip, then hip, hey, hey. What, I know you'll miss me, so what, do, so what. I know how you're feeling that. While we do that, we're moving to a different transition. If you're dancing with other people, you can do that, or you can just go in place. Do. Boy, I know you miss me, so what? So what? So what? I know how you're feeling, that's tough. Think of it as a circle with your arms and with your legs. Your arms are kind of controlling your legs as you go down. Do. I know how you're feeling, that's tough. Do. Great. I think that's the first half.
Okay, so right now we're over here. We're gonna continue moving along. We just did the circle that Lil taught you. And now we're gonna go up and we're gonna do this fun move that goes like this. Hey, hey. Just finish this little move. You're gonna come up and you're gonna do this. And it's such a fun move to do. I know that you love this booty line, because I love it too. We all love it. We love shaking booty. So we walk to our line. If you're dancing alone, you can do shake it by yourself. Walk to our line. So this is on Miss Me, so, and then the booty. Shake, 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 slap. And then you get down and you have fun. You have a party. You can do more twerking. You can talk to your friend. And then you get up. We're getting back to business right here. 1, 2, 3, out. You're gonna go, so what, and then I do a third, I end up here. Don't know how you feeling, that's tough. So what, I know you miss me, so what, hey, so what, I know how you feeling, that's tough. So what? And that's the end of the chorus. Woo!
Hi, welcome to my section. And this is the part where you get your Indiana Jones whip out, because we're gonna walk with your posse. And it's chirp, chirp, chirp. You're gonna stomp the house like you're in the cruise. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Make sure you get your vertebrae moving as well. Walk with your verb and walk. Chirp, chirp, chirp on the back line. Slap like Beyonce. Chirp, chirp, chirp. And a slap and a slap. And I even like give a look to all my haters, because they ain't doing it like we're doing it. 1, 2, 3, chirp, chirp, chirp on the back line. And then we're gonna go to the next. I say she got the curves for the waistline. What are they doing back there? They're taking a shower with the shampoo. 5, 6, 7. Chirp, chirp, chirp. And take your shower, girls. While they're doing that, let's say, ooh, visor. 5, 6, 7. Chirp, chirp. And a visor. So you're gonna know that it's super hot outside. Like when we filmed the Maze video, it was so hot outside. So you're gonna take your visor. Ooh. Chirp, chirp, chirp. For the visor. And a booty, and a booty. If you're all here, I'm gonna give you a look back, because I ain't scared. Come on, girls. 2, 3. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Curves. Well, visor. Hot. You're hot. And I'm gonna walk away because you're hot. Woo!
Hi everyone, it's my turn now. be ready to break your back a little bit for this part. So this first section that I'm gonna teach you guys is everyone is down and I'm like crumping just a little bit. Same words as McKiley is chirp, chirp, chirp on the back line, step, and then my hand looks like it's like on a trigger. So it's like step, step, chirp, 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 and then your chest is like going out to the right while that after you do the two-step. Chirp, chirp, chirp on the back line, and then after that, the girls stand up, arms are out, and your chest is going in. Toot, 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 and then you're doing a step, step. 5, 6, 7, toot, 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 toot. Chirp, chirp, chirp on the back line. You got the curve with the waistline, and then you put your arms up on your head. And this part is a little bit complicated. The move looks like this. Sweep off the floor. I'm like pushing my butt and my hip out. So, chirp, chirp, chirp on the back line. So she got the curves with the waistline. After that, we jump out and then we sway our hips to the right, left, right, left, and then we do like a little sweep, like this. 5, 6, 7. She got the curves with the waistline. Jump for the baseline. You know I'm free. I'ma make time. Yeah. So yeah, when you sway your hips, it's a little bit awkward because you're gonna go to your left again, but once you get in the groove of it, right, left, left. 5, 6, 7. She got the curve on the back line. She got the curves with the waistline. She got the curves with the baseline. You know I'm free, I'ma make time. Yeah. And that is it on my section. Okay, so this is the last section that we're gonna teach you now. It's the very, very last part in the music video that you're gonna see. So this part's a little bit complex, but it's fine. You have got it, okay? Our arms are here first. It goes around into a T. And then around behind our head. And elbows up to the sky. Very clean. Arms to the side. Circle T. Circle behind our head. Now let's add the feet. We go circle T and our knees go in. It's a little bit awkward because we're staying here, but when you keep going, it's not as awkward. In, circle, and then you kind of do this hop. Left foot in, and then right foot out. 5, 6, 7, 8. T and step. And then this part is like a, you know that rodeo thing that you do? But instead of going this way, you go the opposite way. Okay, step with our left foot to the corner of the room, and then to the front of the room. And your back is like in a circular motion while you do this. We'll go from the top, shoulder width apart. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and step and rodeo. W. Rodeo. W. And our feet are in the corner. Front. Okay, let's go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. T and step and rodeo W. After that, it's just kind of like a brush it off and just walk in place and find the pose. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. So what? So what? So what? So what? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you tag us when you learn it and use the hashtag #SoWhatDance.
And thank you for showing so much love to our single So What.
Make sure you're streaming it on all platforms because you know it's good.
And watch that music video and make sure to dance with us.
I've been undercover, looking for another. Acting like you're good, but you never did recover. I don't got no baggies, but you got a duffel, alright. Yeah, right. Shoulder always ready for your tears and petty. Petty shots, you were always aiming at me. Now you got what you giving out like candy. So sad, too bad that you want me. Yeah, you mad. Yeah, that's fine. But that seems like top of you. I know you're hoping no bump into me in the street. You can dream, but it ain't got on top of me in the sheets. Nah, keep your number, baby. I'm not trying to save it. End this conversation. All I hear is chirp, chirp, chirp on the bed line. She got the girls for the waistline. She got the drum for the baseline. You know I'm free, I'ma make time. She's got the chirp on the bed line. She got the curves with the waistline. She got the drum for the baseline.